MET220 final project, our team decided to build a cold box. This is essentially a mini refrigerator. For this device to work, you need a Peltier element, shown here. A Peltier element is a conductor sandwiched between two ceramic plates and powered by 12 volts DC. One side absorbs the ambient air and the other side releases the hot air. Another essential mechanism is a large heat sink, shown here. This allows the hot air from the Peltier element to be pulled away by conduction. The heat is then dissipated through the fins of the heat sink. Then finally, a fan pushes air through the fins and pushes the heat away from the fins so they can continue to absorb more heat. Other items we needed were a small heat sink and small fan for the other side of the Peltier, shown here. This works by absorbing the cold air from the Peltier element and circulating it through the box. For the box, we used pink styrofoam and made sure to seal all gaps with a clear epoxy. Here is a video of the cold box operating. As you can see, right here, there is condensation building up on the Peltier element. You can feel cold air coming from the Peltier element. If we had used a bigger fan for the inside, we think we could have had better results. We had to use two power supplies, one for the Peltier element and another to power the fans. Here are our calculations. We calculated the performance of the Peltier element. Then we calculated the efficiency of the fans for the large heat sink. We hope you enjoyed our video on a DIY cold box.